Welcome back. In this session, we are going to activate one business function that is given for multiple account assignment. T code is to activate a business function. This is the name of a business function. Purchase order. So go to ME21N. Enter vendor here. Material master 32. I am going to create a multiple account assignment. Let me show you what is a multiple account assignment. See here we have multiple account assignment here. Click on this one. Change this to distribute by percentage. This is my scenario. I want to distribute total stationery cost at the time of GR to these three cost centers: head office, marketing, logistics, with this percentage. Copy this percentage. Copy this one, cost centers. Enter here. Copy this. So here 50% for head office, 25. We need to enter GL as well. GL is this one. We created cost element for this GL account. See, what is the message we are getting? Goods receipt posted unvaluated due to multiple account assignment. Go to delivery tab here. See, automatically GR non-valuated. This is ticked here. What is happening before activating this function? Before activating this function, system is considering non-valuated GR here. Click on this check. See, system is automatically updating this non-valuated GR indicator. I will save this. Note down this PO number. Note down here for testing purpose. This is the PO number. So now quickly go to ME29N. Release this PO. Save this. Now next step is to MIGO. Here we are receiving goods against this purchase order, but here we want to distribute this cost at the time of GR to different cost centers like this. Because my stationery is getting consumed by 3 cost center, I want to distribute at the time of goods receipt itself. Now select item is okay. Check here. Post it. See here, material document posted. Go to display. Click on FI document. What is the message you are getting here? No subsequent document found in accounting. That means system is not distributing this cost, and even system is not generating due to multiple account assignment at the time of receiving the goods. There is no FI entry. There is no financial posting in FI. Then what is the next step? We will go to only module is updated if it is maintained on quantity. Go to MIRO, invoice verification. Here enter this. Enter this amount. Simulate this. See, what is the entry system is posting here? ABC Limited vendor account credit. System is distributing the cost at the time of invoice receipt, not at the time of goods receipt. We are posting incoming invoice here. So system is distributing this cost at invoice level. See 550, 275, 275. Even you will find a cost center here. Cost center 1, cost center 2, cost center 3. System is posting the document. See system posted document. Go to this document, follow on documents, click on this one. See, this is the entry posted at invoice verification level. I want to distribute this at GR itself. I want to distribute the cost at the time of GR itself. I don't want to post like this. So what SAP did, SAP gave one business function. This is available from EHP 4. Now we are using EHP 5. So we are going to activate this. After activating, then we are going to see the functionality. Control F, locate this business function. I don't know how to activate this because I didn't do this in a real time. Since I am a functional consultant, this will be done by basis consultant in real time. Activate changes. Right now this is not activated. It should be changed to yellow if it is activated. Control F, check whether it is activated or not. It's not activated. Right now what is happening, at this level system is not posting any entries for multiple account assignment. It is getting distributed at the time of invoice verification level. Invoice verification means this Miro level. To post entries at this level itself, we need to activate this business function. I am trying to activate this business function. After some time, I am checking the status of a business function. Go to SFW5 again. Control F. Check whether it is activated or not. See, it got activated. It took time because when we activate this business function, system scheduled a background job. Now it is activated. In next session, we will continue our testing, understanding how system will post entries at GR level if you have multiple account assignment.